Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we explore the 10 best attack helicopters in the world, the ultimate airborne warriors. From deadly firepower and advanced sensors to unmatched agility and combat-proven performance. These helicopters dominates modern battlefield. Watch till the end to discover which attack helicopter truly rules the skies. Like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Okay, let's start the video. At number 10, it's Agusta A129 Mangusta. The Agusta A129 Mangusta is an Italian attack helicopter developed by Agusta, becoming Europe's first purpose-built attack helicopter. It entered service with the Italian Army in the early 1990s and costs approximately 25 to 30 million USD. Powered by two Rolls-Royce MTU Gen 2 turboshaft engines, the A129 reaches a top speed of about 280 km per hour, with a range of nearly 500 kilometers, a maximum service ceiling of approximately 4,725 meters, 15,500 feet, and a rate of climb of about 10.2 meters per second. It can carry up to 8 anti-tank missiles such as TOW, Hellfire, or Spiker, along with rockets, Stinger air-to-air missiles, and a 20mm nose-mounted cannon. Featuring advanced avionics, helmet-mounted sights, thermal imaging, composite armor, and low signatures, its agility, survivability, and precision strike capability make the A129 one of the best light attack helicopters in the world. The Denel Rooivalk is a South African attack helicopter, developed by Denel Aviation to meet the South African Air Force's requirements. Its development began in the late 1980s, and it officially entered service in 2011. The Rooivalk costs approximately 35 to 40 million USD per unit. It is powered by two Turbomeca Makilo 1K2 turboshaft engines, enabling a top speed of about 309 km per hour, a range of nearly 740 km, and an operational altitude exceeding 6,000 meters, with the max rate of climb exceeding 11.3 meters per second. The helicopter can carry up to 16 Mokopa anti-tank missiles, along with 70mm rocket pods and a 20mm F2 nose-mounted cannon. Featuring advanced avionics, helmet-mounted sights, thermal imaging, electronic warfare systems, and heavy battlefield survivability, its endurance, firepower, and reliability make the Denel Rooivalk one of the best modern attack helicopters. The HAL Prachand is India's indigenous light combat helicopter, LCH, developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, for high-altitude warfare. Inducted into the Indian Armed Forces in the early 2020s, it costs around 35 million United States dollars per unit. Powered by two HAL Safran Shakti turboshaft engines, it achieves a top speed of about 268 km per hour, with a range of nearly 700 km and service ceiling of 6,500 meters, 21,300 feet. With the max rate of climb around 12 meters per second, it can carry anti-tank guided missiles, air-to-air missiles, 70mm rockets, and a 20mm chin-mounted cannon. Designed for Himalayan conditions, it features stealth shaping, composite armor, advanced avionics, helmet-mounted displays, and electro-optical targeting systems. Its unmatched high-altitude performance and indigenous technology make HAL Prachand one of the best light attack helicopters in the world. The CAIC Z-10 is China's dedicated attack helicopter, developed by Chonghe Aircraft Industries Corporation for the PLA. Introduced in the 2010s, it is estimated to cost around 25 to 30 million USD. Powered by two turboshaft engines, WZ9, WZ16 variants. It reaches a top speed of about 300 km per hour, with a range of roughly 800 km, and service ceiling around 6,000 meters, 19,700 feet, with a rate of climb around 10 meters per second. The Z-10 can carry up to 8 to 16 anti-tank missiles, air-to-air missiles, rocket pods, and 23mm cannon. It features modern avionics, helmet-mounted sights, electro-optical targeting, composite armor, and reduced radar signature. Its firepower, agility, and modern technology make the Z-10 one of the best attack helicopters in its class. The T129 ATAK is a Turkish attack helicopter, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries based on the Italian A129 Mangusta. Entering service in the mid-2010s, it costs around 30 to 35 million USD. Powered by two LHTECCTS 800-4A turboshaft engines. It achieves a top speed of about 280 km per hour, a range of nearly 560 km, and a service ceiling of around 6,096 meters, 20,000 feet, and a max rate of climb of approximately 14 meters per second. The T-129 can carry up to 8 anti-tank missiles such as UMTAS, along with rockets, air-to-air missiles, and a 20mm cannon, featuring advanced avionics, electronic warfare systems, helmet-mounted sights, and precision strike capability. Its agility and modern technology make the T-129 ATAK one of the best light attack helicopters. The Mi-28 Havoc is a Russian attack helicopter developed by Moscow helicopter plant to counter heavily armored threats. It entered service with the Russian forces in the early 2010s and costs approximately $35 to $40 million USD per unit. Powered by two Kamov VK2500 turboshaft engines, Mi-28 reaches a top speed of about 300 km per hour, with a range of nearly 435 km and a max service ceiling of around 5,750 meters, 18,860 feet, with a rate of climb around 13.6 meters per second. It can carry up to 16 anti-tank missiles, like ATAK or Chrysanthema, along with rockets and 30mm Shipunov cannon. Featuring advanced radar, night attack capability, heavy armor, and electronic warfare systems, its survivability and firepower make Mi-28 one of the most best attack helicopter. The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator is a Russian attack helicopter developed by the Kamov Design Bureau as an advanced derivative of the Ka-50. Introduced in the early 2010s, it costs approximately $35 to $40 million. Powered by two Kamov VK2500 turboshaft engines, it reaches a top speed of approximately 300 km per hour, with a range of nearly 460 km, and maximum service ceiling of approximately 5,500 meters, about 18,000 feet, with a rate of climb at 16 meters per second. Ka-52 carries up to 12 anti-tank missiles such as VKHR or ATAK, rockets, and a 30mm cannon. Its coaxial rotor system eliminates a tail rotor, giving superior maneuverability and survivability. Advanced radar, electro-optical sensors, ejection seats, and strong electronic warfare systems make Ka-52 one of the best attack helicopters in the world. Hello my friends, before moving forward, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. It motivates us to do more in the future. Thanks, appreciate that. Okay, let's continue. At number 3. Eurocopter Tiger. The Eurocopter Tiger is a European multi-role attack helicopter, developed jointly by France and Germany under Eurocopter, now Airbus Helicopters. Entering service in the mid-2000s, it costs approximately $40 to $45 million USD. Powered by two MTR 390 turboshaft engine, Tiger reaches a top speed of about 290 km per hour, with a range of nearly 800 km and a maximum service ceiling of around 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet, with rate of climb around 10.7 meters per second. It can carry up to 8 anti-tank missiles such as Hellfire, Spiker, or HOT, along with rockets and a 30mm cannon. Built extensively with composite materials, it features low radar and infrared signatures, advanced avionics, helmet-mounted sights, and network-centric warfare capability. Its lightweight, agility, and high survivability give it a clear advantage over heavier helicopters, making the Tiger one of the best modern attack helicopters in service. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is an advanced American attack helicopter, developed by Bell Helicopter for the U.S. Marine Corps. Entering service in the 2010s, it costs approximately $35 to $40 million USD per unit. Powered by two General Electric T700GE401C turboshaft engines, the AH-1Z reaches a top speed of approximately 295 km per hour, with a range of approximately 610 km. Its service ceiling is over 6,100 meters, 20,000 feet, and a rapid rate of climb exceeding 14.2 meters per second. It can carry up to 16 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, along with rockets, Sidewinder AAMs, and a 20mm M197 cannon. Advanced avionics, helmet-mounted sights, modern sensors, and network-centric warfare capability, its reliability, firepower, and survivability make the AH-1Z Viper one of the best modern helicopters today. And now, finally at number 1 we have the legendary Boeing AH-64 Apache. The Boeing AH-64 Apache is a premier American attack helicopter, developed by Hughes Helicopters, now produced by Boeing, for the U.S. Army. Introduced in the mid-1980s, it costs approximately $35 to $45 million USD per unit depending on variant. Powered by two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, the Apache reaches a top speed of about 295 km per hour, with a range of nearly 480 kilometers. Maximum service ceiling is around 6,400 meters, 21,000 feet, and a rate of climb exceeding 12 meters per second. It can carry up to 16 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, along with rockets, air-to-air missiles, and a 30mm M230 chain gun. Advanced features include longbow radar, night vision sensors, helmet-mounted displays, composite armor, and network-centric warfare systems. Its unmatched combat record, survivability, and precision strike capability make the AH-64 Apache the best attack helicopters in the world at present. There you have it, the 10 best attack helicopters in the world at present. Hope you all liked it. If you did, like the video, share it, and also don't forget to hit that subscription button. See you all again in the next video. Until then, you can go to the channel and check out other videos from the playlist. Thanks, bye.